boy! Yo, what is up, YouTube? What is good? 1:05 a.m. You see that? Friday. Lookbook, bro. Lookbook. Lookbook came out Tuesday, Monday, one of the days, bro. Barely gonna look at it right now. Gonna look over it, give honest opinion and everything, bro. I would tell you if this shit is trash or not, bro. I've been hearing some good things about it. I've been staying away. All I gotta say, bro, it's 1:05 a.m. and I'm on fucking crack, dude. So, gonna get this shit started, bro. We're gonna give honest opinion on the lookbook, everything. I'm on fucking crack, bro. If it's not interesting, probably not gonna show it in the video. Cause, holy fuck, this is bright. Cause it just sucks. So I'll show you guys the heaters, the worst pieces, everything. Honest opinion. Let's go, bro. Stayed away from the whole lookbook. Don't know what's coming out. All I gotta say, bro, is I'm cracked. So let's do this, bro. Starting off, the very first piece that comes up, Fox Fur varsity jacket. Let me just say, this is dog shit, bro. Let's go to the next item. Fuck that shit. I don't give a fuck what colors they got. This shit's trash. Gore-Tex anorak. Not bad. I mean, the solid color is pretty lame, to be honest. The red looks pretty cool. Looks like some stuff, you know, some, I forgot his name, bro. Some fucking Vincent Van Gogh shit. That's his name, bro. You know, some painter bullshit. I don't know. Trash. Get out of here. Out of my face. Let's see what just looks interesting. This looks like a Gucci jacket. Chrome Hearts looking stitching right there. You know, looks like the Chrome Hearts cross. You know what I'm talking about? For the most part, this shit's lame though. These, I've seen these. These look pretty cool. Vans and jackets, you already know these are gonna be expensive as shit. These are pretty cool. Gonna be mighty expensive. Not too bad though. Colors, red and black. Solid, solid, solid. You got these jackets. These are reversible, I see. I'm a fan of the white. Not a fan of the reversible of the white though. The black with the cream or the white doesn't look that good, but the white looks nice on the outside. Let's see what this is. Not bad. Don't like the branding on the neck or the collar, but this is a piece I've seen, bro. I'm not patriotic a lot or at all, but dude, this fucking looks sick. This American flag, gotta say, bro, this looks sick. I would 100% wear this. I'd buy it. This is a nice piece, bro. Looking forward for this one to come out. Will I keep it in the future? When it actually does come out, will I decide to get it? I don't know, bro. We'll see what the pockets are talking about later in the future. For the most part, you got the gray, the olive, and the black, and then the pea color. Lemon cookies, Girl Scout cookies, you know, you got that color. Not bad. I don't gotta say anything about that. These were leaked a while ago. I forgot his name, bro. The skater with the long hair, you know, you saw him wearing this shit, the orange one. MOB patches. It's clean, it's clean. MOB collab, official collab. The black is lame, can't lie. The orange and then the navy blue are probably the best for sure. Not gonna go over those. Trash, 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 garbage, more garbage. Nah, what are these? Yeah, let's just back right back out. What are these? Not bad. You got some graph paper laid out on them. Not bad, not bad. The camo's the only cool one. Whoa, what the fuck is this, bro? City Lights puffer jacket. This one. This is a nice piece. Purple. Not really feeling it, but the black, the detail on that is crazy. Now go back, go back. What city even is that, bro? Is that even an actual city? Maybe New York because of these skyscrapers going on over here. It doesn't say where it's probably New York. The Supreme New York, bro. It has to be New York. Come on, bro. Yeah, this gotta be New York, bro. I don't know. Empire State Building right there. That's Empire State Building. Some bullshit. That's the fucking building from Spider-Man. That's all I know. Spider-Man game, that's the building. That shit's hard. I want that. That actually looks really cool. Gonna be probably super expensive, $298, $398, but I like that. This is bullshit. They got some fucking Yeezus merch going on right here. This is trash. I've seen these too. I've seen these actually. Knits. It seems like everybody's doing knits right now, and it makes sense for Supreme to do knits too, I guess. This looks nice, bro. Alright. Oh, these are nice too, bro. Damn. But these ones, I like this one. I've seen this one, the white. I've seen the white on person. This is nice, bro. These knits go crazy. Can't lie. These ones are nice. Red and black. It's like the, you know, I just realized same colorways as the Vision knits. It might even be the same manufacturer, bro. Very similar cuffs and everything, bro. So I don't know if it is, bro. They're good quality, good quality. They're probably gonna mark up the fuck out of this one, but whatever. I probably won't get it, but they're cool. They're definitely cool. These two are definitely cool. These cartoon knits. These are nice. I like those. Whoa, what is this, bro? Racing soccer jersey. This is nice, bro. This is fire. I wish it had a button at the top. A little button at the collar. OG looking style. That is OG looking style as well with the way it has it. This is nice. I don't like the blue. I like the actual black. That one's really cool. This shit is fucking. This shit looks like the type of shit you would get at the swap meet back in the day with this fucking Cholo Mickey Mouses, bro. And Looney Tunes. Fuck out of here. Stay away, bro. This looks like some Astroworld merch. Not even gonna bother reading that shit. You already know this 4th of July is gonna go crazy, bro. Fuck yeah, dude. I'm gonna go fuck my sister. Dad hats? Yeah, these are fucking trash. I already know motherfuckers would be wearing Yeezys every gonna wear those shits. These are pretty cool. These, the white colorway, that's nice. That shit's hard. Knits. I wanna look at backpacks. Backpacks, I've been thinking about replacing my current backpack, which is the spring, summer, fucking 18. I don't know. I think so. Yeah, I've been using this one. Blacked out the branding because I didn't like that shit. I was in white and it said it all over. And I thought about switching out for the past season's backpack in teal, but I wanted to wait till I saw this season's backpacks. But golly, these things are fucking shit. They went with like a whole mesh thing, bro. These look like some baseball backpacks. These are fucking trash. Duffel bag looks better in black, but golly. Oh, they combined them this time. Shoulder bag and a waist bag. Basically. Yo. These look exactly like last season. I think it's last season. They look exactly like it. This shit's garbage. These are pretty cool. I like these. These look like, remind me of one of the makeup pouches my mom has. So this is cool. That's cool. Not bad. Yo. This one is better than the regular bags. That goes off. Tote bags. Look like high quality, to be honest. They look like some good quality tote bags. They remind me of fuck, I don't know what store it is, but they remind me of some stores. They got some beaner shit going on here, bro. Some real beaner shit right here. Go to the swap meet, buy that shit. Shit, fucking hell, dude. Coin pouch, goddamn, bro. Holy fuck. Let's move on to the accessories then, boys. Cause so far, in terms of clothing, it's looking alright, I guess. But t-shirts, biggest letdown so far. Accessories, this is a cool thing. Toolbox, would not buy a bike. This is cool. Oreos, pack of 3. I've seen these. I've seen everybody talking about these. Holy shit. I can't believe they're actually doing this shit. I don't know, bro. It's gonna be interesting what these things are sold at and then going for. You're probably gonna pay more for the shipping than the actual fucking cookie. Fujifilm. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Yo, they got the fucking belts going on, bro. This one is fucking crazy. This is cool. I like this. This is funny. That's not bad. I fucking like that shit. I would probably buy that shit, to be honest. The colorful one, you have to get the colorful one, bro. That's fucking funny. Lawn chair. Holy shit, dude, they really done the beaner shit this year, bro. Basketballs, Ziploc bags, holy fuck, dude. Swimming goggles, Speedo collab as well, alright. Bird comb. I don't know what the fuck this is, bro, but they're selling you some drugs. Cool keychain, Tupac deck, I heard about this. This is a cool looking deck, I will admit, this is a nice deck. This goes pretty hard. I like the cherry deck. That shit's fucking hard, actually. That's hard. Money deck. I don't like any of the money stuff they're doing. Cruisers with the old Motion logo. This is fucking sick. This. I think this color is better than this one. They're both really fucking cool. I rate this. I rate this. Whatever. It's whatever. Pipe skate key. It's a skate tool? What kind of skate tool is this, bro? I've never seen a skate tool like this. It's cool though. You can do everything. You can do everything except grip your board with this one. I mean, you could if you wanted to scratch it up. It's got a bottle opener too, it looks like. Yeah, it's got everything. Fucking, it's cool. It probably fucking sucks dick using it though, because if you want to take off the fucking trucks, you're gonna be hitting this shit all the fucking time. You're gonna be having to take it off every fucking time. But cool idea. But that's about it, dude. Favorite item of the season, I will say. Alright, let's go favorite clothing item of the season, then favorite accessory. The favorite clothing item definitely has to be the city lights. City lights definitely by far the best item in my opinion. In terms of best accessory, the skate deck, this deck and the cherry deck. Those have to be my favorite items of the season. I'm looking forward to those. I don't know what's coming out this week or next week. As you can tell, it's already fucking Thursday. If I did get selected for the in-store drop, I would have uploaded it by now, but I didn't. So hopefully next week we can get some shit, bro. But that is it, guys. That is the overview of the lookbook. First look reaction. Let me know what you guys think about the lookbook down in the comments below. As always, it's a new season, bro. So gotta stick together, bro. Stick together, vibe together, and hopefully we can get all these shits, whatever you want. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.